gosh.
Always gonna be something. I do something positive, they don't discuss it. But when it be negative, then people love it, huh? D.O.
Excuse me. Alright, I'll go this year. This year? Yeah. Alright. I'll slide with
It was like a long time ago.
Malik.
Oh, you can't.
I believe nobody will join me. It's really actually weird. It's usually some.
What's up? What's up?
Excuse me. Honestly, not worth it. It's good, but nice. But yeah, excuse me. I think that's that nobody.